Are you trying to perform joins in Tableau and you can't find where to do it? Well, let me show you where it is in Tableau. So here I am in Tableau desktop and we're in the data source view. And you can see here on the left, I've got some data sets and I've already got one that I've dropped inside. Now, when you get two data sets and you want to relate them or combine them, we actually have a number of options. One is relationships and the other is joins. And then we actually have a third one called blending, but let's not get into that. So here, when you bring in another data set, as you can see here, it gives you a squiggly line. Some people mistake this for a join, but it's not. These are called relationships. Okay, and I've got videos on this describing exactly what it is. In short, it's about creating a relationship between two data sets, but you're not physically connecting them like we do with joins. All right, so that's the basic idea. So how then do we perform joins? Well, you actually have to open this up and do the join in there. So if I click on the triangle here and go open, or I can double click it, it's going to open up this little square. We do the joins in here. So if I bring in orders now, oh sorry, not orders, let's say people, and drop it in, you're now going to see that famous Venn diagram, which signifies that it is a join. And from here, if I click on it, it's going to say inner, left, right, full outer, which is what you'd expect. And then on this part, what are the fields that we're going to use to join the two? Now, as soon as you do this, and this is sometimes called materializing or physicalizing, right, in data speak, when you do this, the fields that are in here will combine with the fields that are in here and essentially create a new data set. So if I have people here, if I look at people, you're going to see region, which is what we're going to use to connect with, and then regional manager. So if I go here to the right, okay, and if I do region to region, that's fine. You're going to see now regional manager, which comes from that other data set, okay? That one right here. So what essentially we're doing is we're connecting them and making a brand new table. When I come out of this, if I just press this little X, I now have a new data set, and you can see that little Venn diagram symbol. So why would Tableau do it this way? Why would you have joins and then relationships kind of on top? The reason is because this gives us so much flexibility, it's absolutely insane. What it means is that we can create multiple ones of these where we're doing joins inside. And traditionally, when you're doing joins, they're happening on the same level of granularity. However, when we do relationships, which is all that squiggly line business, relationships allow us to relate data sets, but they don't need to be on the same level of granularity, which means we can mix and match way more in Tableau and build data models that can do so many things. That's the basic idea of relationships and joins. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I do teach all of this in detail on my website, Jellyman Education. Be sure to check that out. Until next time, have a great day and bye.